We've recently updated our screen print product pages. Let's take a look at the new Ultra Ink order page. The Ultra Ink landing page now gives you everything you need to know about this product. There are two drop-down pricing tables. The first one is for the standard Ultra Ink pricing. The second is the price including the optional dye blocker, which is used for sublimated fabrics. Scrolling down, you will find an updated color chart. This new color chart contains the CMYK color values used to color correct your colors. Simply enter the numbers in your graphics program, such as Adobe Illustrator. Scrolling down a little more, you will find links with information about optional services. We've also added application instructions as well as links to our artwork specifications. At the bottom of the Ultra Ink landing page, you will find the most common frequently asked questions. When you are ready to order, simply go back to the top of the page. Click on the Order Now button to place your online order. We're now on the Order Now page. First, start by selecting either the basic formula or the optional mitigation dye blocker formula. If you need us to provide custom Pantone matching to your artwork, select the checkbox to add up to 3 custom Pantone matches. The system will add $25 to the order for this service. Enter the custom Pantone colors you wish to use in the notes section on the order form. Next, you can upload your art file, enter the quantity of sheets you want, and lastly, check the I agree box, which confirms you agree your file meets our artwork specifications. You can enter the job name and description in the space provided. Once your file is finished uploading, your page will redirect to the cart page. Here at the cart page, you have the option to adjust your quantities. You can either continue to add more items or select Proceed to the checkout. Now we're at the checkout page. Start by entering your billing and shipping information. We offer free local pickup. We also offer speedy shipping services if you're within the state of Minnesota. Once you've entered your shipping and billing information, you can pay via secure online credit card. If you have an approved account, you can select the Pay by Invoice option. One of our team members will reach out to confirm the payment with this option. We want to thank you for ordering from Apex Custom Transfers. We're working to improve the order process and welcome any feedback. Thanks for watching.